The National Weather Service in Morristown has issued a tornado warning for Scott County until 6:15 p.m. At 5:34 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado 9 miles southwest of Oneida. Doppler radar showed this tornado moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Locations in the warning include Oneida, Huntsville, Norma, Winfield, and Ketchum. This tornado warning replaces the severe thunderstorm warning that was in effect in the same area. Do not use your car to try to outrun a tornado. Cars are easily tossed around by tornado winds. If you are caught in the path of the tornado, leave the car and go to a strong building. If no safe structure is nearby, seek shelter at a ditch or low spot and cover your head. The safest place to be during a tornado is in a basement. Get under a workbench or other piece of sturdy furniture. If no basement is available, seek shelter on the lowest floor of the building in an interior hallway or room such as a closet. Use blankets or pillows to cover your body, and always stay away from windows. If in mobile homes or vehicles, evacuate them and get inside a substantial shelter. If no shelter is available, lie flat in the nearest ditch or other low spot and cover your head with your hands. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. Friday evening for southwest North Carolina, East Tennessee, and southwest Virginia. The National Weather Service